In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations in PowerPoint. If you want to make your presentation feel more dynamic and polished, adding animations is a simple way to do it. Animations can help draw attention to important text, images, or other elements on your slide, and they can also improve the flow of your presentation when used carefully. The good news is that the process is very straightforward. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add an animation. Take a moment to look at the content on the slide and decide which object you want to animate. This could be a text box, a title, a shape, an icon, or an image. Once you know what you want to work with, click directly on the text or image to select it. You should see selection handles appear around the object, which lets you know PowerPoint is ready to apply changes to that specific item. It's important to make sure you've selected the correct object before moving on, especially if your slide has multiple elements placed close together. If needed, click again carefully until the right item is highlighted. This small step can save time and prevent you from accidentally animating the wrong part of the slide. After the object is selected, move your attention to the top menu in PowerPoint and click on the Animations tab. This is where PowerPoint gives you access to the animation tools. Inside this section, you'll be able to apply animation effects to the selected item. Once you open the Animations area, you can start choosing how that text or image will appear, move, or emphasize itself during the presentation. As you work, try to keep your animations consistent and purposeful. Using too many different effects can make a presentation feel distracting, so in most cases, simple animation choices work best. If you're presenting professional or educational content, subtle animations usually create the cleanest result, and that's really all it takes to get started with animations in PowerPoint. First, click on the text or images you want to animate, and then click on Animations at the top of the screen. From there, you can continue refining the effect to match the style of your presentation. With just those basic actions, you're already on your way to creating slides that feel more engaging and visually appealing.